So team, are we ready to start a project?
Yes, of course. We are set and the consent is ready.
And also, our budget is approved, so we're going to rock this project in style.
But William, where are the necessary materials to start our project?
Procurement management. What makes a successful project? Timely delivery, managing project budget, minimum variations, minimum environmental impacts, no defects, and of course, safety and quality. So, what is procurement management? Procurement management is a process necessary for purchasing goods, services, or results required from outside project team. In other words, the objective of procurement management is in creating optimum value for organizational spending. Procurement management process includes 4 main phases: plan procurement, conduct procurement, control procurement, and close procurement. Plan procurement. Plan procurement process commences with project initiation and requires project scope statement, work breakdown structure, project risk register, project schedule, project cost, stakeholder register, and organizational process assets. The procurement team generally uses tools and techniques such as make or buy analysis, expert judgment, market research on industry and specific vendor capabilities, and collaborating with bidders. The project procurement team then prepares a project management plan, which includes information on different types of contracts that will be used for the project procurement, identifies risk associated with each contract type, outlines sellers' selection criteria, and sets monitoring criteria. Conduct procurement. This process includes obtaining seller's response, evaluating bidder's proposal, and awarding contract to successful bidder. For complex procurements, bidders conference is a useful mechanism which provides opportunity for a buyer and prospective seller to understand procurement requirements and conditions. Usually, procurement negotiations are undertaken between the buyer and the selected seller on contractual terms and conditions.
So team, are we ready to start a project?
Yes, of course. We are set and the consent is ready.
And also, our budget is approved, so we're going to rock this project in style.
But William, where are the necessary materials to start our project?
Look over there.
Hi, I'm Super Procurement. I'm here for your purchasing and contracting needs.
Control procurement. Control procurement is the process of managing procurement relationships, monitoring contract performance, and making adjustments to contract as required. Essential benefit of this process is it ensures the parties to the contract meet their contractual obligations as agreed and legally enforceable. Close procurement. Close procurement is the process of completing each procurement. Close procurement process involves administrative activities such as finalizing open claims, updating records to reflect final results, and archiving such information for future use. Procurement tender types. Usual tender types used in procurements are traditional tender, negotiated tender, cost reimbursement tender, design build tender, novated design build tender, construction management tender, and collaborative tender. Generally, in public sector agencies, a strategic procurement approach is used. Traditional versus strategic procurement. The difference in traditional procurement and strategic procurement is that in traditional procurement, little time is spent on planning, and as a result, increasing level of efforts are required during contract and negotiation phase. Whereas in strategic procurement, planning, research, and analysis add significant value in identifying solutions that will meet the need and deliver greater value. Hence, we can say that each stage in the procurement process, if executed well, will lead to benefits and assure project success while adding value to organizational spending.
Now, with procurement management in place, the project is set for success.